Are you looking for the best concrete cleaner? In this video, we will break down the top concrete cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best concrete cleaners, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the ACT Microbial Concrete Cleaner. The more we begin to understand the world around us, the more we find Mother Nature has already found solutions to our problems, such as the little microbes that make ACT the best concrete cleaner out there. Safe around plants and animals, these little guys remove odors and literally eat the contaminants, leaving behind only water and carbon dioxide as waste products. If you're new to bioremediation, it's similar to how plants are being used to absorb radionuclides from Chernobyl's surroundings. The microbes work on almost any surface, and against most stains and even mold and mildew. It's incredibly easy to use. Just brush on with a push broom and walk away while nature does its thing. Repeat every 2 weeks as needed. Skeptics of this product have been pleasantly surprised by its effectiveness. Consumers have used it to clean up even the oldest stains effectively with no scrubbing. Requiring only a broom and some water, the higher price tag has been almost universally deemed worth spending. The lid is even designed to make shaking out the product easy without risk of spilling. Whether you need to clean motor oil off your driveway, garage floor, patio, parking garage, or apartment parking lot, ACT Concrete Cleaner is easy to use and just plain works. Just about all of the complaints revolving around this product are down to unrealistic expectations. You're working with living critters here, so it takes a little time to eat all the contaminants. In addition, you may need to reapply every 2 weeks until particularly nasty stains are gone. For an all-natural remedy, it's worth the wait. At number 2, we have the GP66 Miracle Cleaner. Switching gears to a more artificial but no less eco-friendly all-purpose cleaner, GP66 meets OSHA, EPA, USDA, Department of Health and Human Hygiene, and even Avarian Administration standards. Originally developed for industrial use, this water-based cleaner comes in a concentrate capable of making 64 spray bottles per gallon, but for especially tough oil and grease stains, you can use it at full strength. It works by breaking the surface tension of water, allowing the cleaner to penetrate stains that other cleaners can't reach. Best of all, it's so safe people even use it for their dishes and laundry. The majority of people who buy this product are amazed at how well it works. Diluted bottles of GP66 find their way into a garage, kitchen, and bathroom pretty quick, making the high price tag a steal compared to all the other cleaning products it replaces. It isn't just a concrete floor cleaner, it's an all-around cleaning solution. The product doesn't seem to work for everybody. A few users have reported issues with removing recent oil stains. Additionally, the fumes are strong with this one, so be sure to use your force powers and open a window if using indoors. At number 3, we have the Oil Eater Cleaner and Degreaser. Another eco-friendly multi-purpose cleaner. Oil Eater is USDA approved for non-food surfaces. It safely dissolves grease and oil without the use of abrasives, acids, or other harsh chemicals. Just dilute as needed, and take comfort in knowing this product is fully biodegradable. Oil Eater works incredibly well on new spills, but also has shown great effect against older spills. The product is safe enough to use without worrying about killing plants, and does an increasingly good job the longer you let it soak in. Because you don't have to let it sit for weeks, this is probably the best concrete driveway cleaner for rainier climates. To use for surfaces other than concrete, simply dilute according to the chart on the bottle. Not only is it good for automotive fluid spills in the garage, it works well on carpet, bathroom tile, decks, machinery, and even as a laundry spot treatment among other uses. It's worth noting that Oil Eater Concrete Degreaser does take a little bit of elbow grease when getting rid of oil or grease. That said, there have been some indications that not all batches are equal from long-time users. As such, your mileage may vary when using this product. There's enough product to treat even larger garage sizes. And at number 4, we have the CAF Outdoor Cleaning EXIMO Concrete Cleaner. Unlike the other eco-friendly products we've covered so far, EXIMO is a waterless concrete cleaner. This microbial cleaner is safe around flora and fauna, working hard to break down hydrocarbons so you don't have to. Since this product works on the microscopic level, similar to the ACT cleaner above, it gets much deeper than chemical cleaners, given a bit of time. As with the other bioremedial products on this list, consumers have found the only thing they need to eliminate stains is some patience. It works well against both new and old stains. Just sweep on and walk away, reapplying every few weeks as needed. The single biggest complaint about the product is actually the size. While working almost on par with ACT, you need a decent amount for heavier stains, and may find yourself buying additional packages before the stain is taken care of. While the 12-ounce package of EXIMO cleaner is available, we recommend going for the larger 3-pound container. For commercial applications, a 36-pound tub of EXIMO is also available. So that sums up our top concrete cleaners. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.